In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Google Ads Developer Token. This token is what allows your applications to communicate with the Google Ads API, so you can programmatically manage campaigns, pull reports, and automate workflows. To get started, sign in to your Google Ads Manager account. If you haven't created a manager account yet, go ahead and set that up first, since the API Center is only available from a manager account and you'll need admin access. Once you're in, look for the admin section in the top navigation. Open that and then select the API Center. This is where you'll submit your basic information so Google can issue a developer token tied to your organization. If you don't see the API Center, double-check that you're in the correct account and that your permissions are set to admin. On the API Center page, you'll be asked to provide a few details. Start with your email address. Use a professional address associated with your organization so communications reach the right place. Next, enter your company name exactly as it appears on official documents. Then add your company URL. Make sure this is your primary website and that it's publicly accessible. Google uses it to understand who you are and how you operate. You'll also select your company type. Choose the option that best describes your organization, whether that's an advertiser, an agency, a tool provider, or another category. This helps Google understand your role in the ads ecosystem. After that, describe your intended use. Be clear and specific about how you plan to use the Google Ads API, whether that's managing client accounts, generating performance reports, syncing data with internal tools, or building automation. The more accurate your description, the smoother the review process tends to be. Enter your principal place of business, including the correct country and address. This should reflect where your organization is legally based. Accuracy here is important for compliance and policy alignment. When you've reviewed everything, read and agree to the terms and conditions. These outline acceptable use and responsibilities when accessing the API. Finally, click Create Token. Your developer token will be generated and visible in the API Center. Keep it secure and never share it publicly. In many cases, new tokens start in a limited or test state. That's normal, and it allows you to begin development while ensuring your use aligns with policies. That's it. You've successfully requested a Google Ads Developer Token.